Happy Sunday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. Starting out our morning with areas of fog. Some of it could be dense at times, so make sure you drive carefully, both hands on the steering wheel, using your low beams, and overall just driving cautiously. We are expecting mostly clear skies for the beginning of our day, but then clouds will begin to build this afternoon, and with all that sunshine and a southerly flow, we're expecting to also warm up. We're looking at highs anywhere between 82 to 84 degrees, so on this last weekend of summer, it will certainly feel like it. But clouds will continue to increase as this cold front from the west approaches, and there's also a chance for some showers and even the possibility of a thunderstorm late this afternoon. So your morning is the best time to get outdoors and enjoy activities, run errands, because by 5 we'll start to see rain chances increasing from west to east, and then it will stick around with us for the evening hours. Make sure that if you have outdoor plans and are planning to be out from 2 to 7 p.m., keep your umbrella handy in case you need it. Overnight, we'll continue to see rain chances possible, so by tomorrow morning, we could be dealing with some wet roads. Tonight, 65, shower possible. Also, thunder is not out of the question. On Monday, 80 degrees with a 30% chance for rain under mostly cloudy skies. On Tuesday, the same scenario. By Wednesday, we dry out. We're expecting a few breaks in the clouds, 80 degrees. So then at least from Monday through Wednesday, that will be our high. And Thursday, 82 under partly sunny conditions. The first day of fall, feeling more like summer, 83. And by next weekend, warming up into the mid-80s once again.